You didn't get richer. You just stopped behaving like you were supposed to be poor. That sounds dramatic, but watch what happens when your thinking changes. Old money rarely asks, "What can I afford this month?" It asks, "What will this money produce over the next 10 years?" That difference changes everything. Imagine two people, both receive an extra $1,000. One upgrades the phone, eats out more, and finds a few new subscriptions. The money disappears quietly. The other asks a different question. Can this $1,000 buy me time, income, or ownership? Maybe it becomes an investment, maybe education, maybe the first piece of a business. The amount is identical. The outcome isn't. This is the hidden mechanic behind wealth. Income pays for your lifestyle. Assets can eventually pay for your lifestyle. And the system is remarkably good at encouraging the opposite. Credit cards make future income feel spendable today. Advertising turns convenience into necessity. Social media makes someone else's consumption look like your financial deadline. Meanwhile, compounding works almost invisibly. At a hypothetical 8% annual return, $10,000 becomes roughly $21,600